Scene script. Ever feel like the world is moving too fast, and the little problems that pop up throughout the day are slowing you down? The tangled mess of charging cables on your desk, the lost keys that always seem to disappear right when you need them, the chaos of the morning rush, or even the simple act of cooking dinner. All these minor inconveniences can add up to major frustrations. But what if there's a way to not just manage, but eliminate these daily hassles? The good news is, you're living in a time of unprecedented innovation, and there are ingenious solutions out there that can turn your everyday problems into things of the past. Imagine a world where you wake up each morning to a room bathed in a gentle glow of natural light, accompanied by the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. This isn't the work of a personal assistant, but the magic of a smart alarm clock. Picture this: a charging station that organizes your cables, keeps everything neat and accessible, and ensures you never have to deal with a tangled mess again. Visualize never having to turn your house upside down in search of lost keys. A key locator device linked to your smartphone can help you locate your keys with just a simple tap on your screen. Think about cooking your favorite pasta dish without the hassle of draining and the subsequent cleanup. A pasta pot with built-in strainers can make this a reality. And finally, imagine achieving peaceful, uninterrupted sleep every night, thanks to innovative solutions designed to reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. These are not just mere fantasies. These are real, practical inventions designed to make your life easier, more efficient, and less stressful. So why not take the leap? Embrace these innovations and turn the daily grind into a smooth ride. After all, life is too short to be bogged down by minor inconveniences. It's time to explore these inventions and simplify your life. It's time to live smarter, not harder.